Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my channel Code Hunter. Today I am explaining about how to generate APIs using Spring Boot. First we have to go to Google and search Spring Initializer. Go to the first link and select the project what you have to do. Gradle, Kotlin or Maven, and select the languages Java or select the version of the Spring Boot. And come to the project metadata. Here you have to change the artifact ID and write my first project. Keep the description as it is, package name as it is, and jar file, select jar file properties and select 21 version, and add the dependencies like add only one dependencies of Spring Boot, Spring Web. Here Spring Web explains about creating the REST APIs, MVCs, and get and give us the Tomcat Apache server inbuilt. Now explore the dependencies. Press Ctrl plus space and come here and see what is the dependency we have. We have Spring Web MVC dependency here. You may see. And scroll down. Here we have the plugins in the POM file, pom.xml file. Click download. Now extract all the files from the zip folder what you have downloaded and come to the VS Code editor and make a class of hello controller. Here we go. Name the class as hello controller. Hello controller. Click the enter and create the annotation of REST controller. @REST controller. Click enter. Here they are suggesting the name of REST controller. Now make a request mapping annotation. Request mapping annotation. Hit the tab and enter to the body of the main class of the controller and give the annotation of get mapping here. Get mapping. Make sure that you have to not enter this get mapping function. You have to create a get mapping annotation and make a self method. Give the name as API. Here we are giving the path of the API which we have to search from the browser. Here we go. Give the name of the method public string make the method name as my controller. Click the enter. Make the flower bracket here and we are creating the string, so we have to return my first API. Give the messages my first API. Save the file and come to the main class and run the main class. Here it is running the main class. Here we go. Our Tomcat server is running at the localhost server of port 8080. Now come to the browser and type localhost 8080 because our server is running on localhost 8080 and give the file path name hello API. Click the enter. Here our first project is ready, my first API. Thank you.